Hi, my name is Ryan Steen, and this is my wife Barbara, and we are at D&M Jewelers in Ashwaubenon, Wisconsin. At D&M Jewelers, we specialize in custom jewelry as well as we do all of our repairs in-house, everything from ring sizings to resetting of stones, refurbishing old antique items, and pretty much doing anything that needs to be done to jewelry. So D&M Jewelers was established in 1989. I've been working here for 14 years, and it's been basically my lifelong path from high school till now to own our own store. So as of February last year, we were given the opportunity, as the old owner retired, to purchase the business from him. And seeing as we only live 4 or 5 blocks away and we went to high school in Ashwaubenon, we love this community. It was a perfect fit for us to buy the store and have it as our career. I got into jewelry in high school. At Ashwaubenon High School, they had an art metals class, which I took for a few years, and I really enjoyed it. And I figured, hey, if I can do this for a career, that'd be pretty great. So after high school, I went to NWTC, and they had a jewelry repair and fabrication program, which I took. After that, I didn't feel like I was quite trained enough to get a job yet, so I moved to California to go to the Gemological Institute of America, which I got a graduate gemologist degree. And since then, I moved to Montana. I apprenticed at a repair custom shop there for about 3.5 years before I moved back to Green Bay, and I've been in this area working in jewelry stores since. I would say my favorite part about working in this business is making custom pieces. Sitting down with a customer and designing something from scratch, then bringing in old items that they've inherited, sitting down and designing with them either by hand, or we work with CAD designers where they can do 3D waxes on a computer. Pretty much can get as detailed and as specific as you would like.